Welcome to Rayasam Recipes. Today let us see how to make kova holige. So holige is usually stuffed with a sweet filling made of different combinations. So here we are going to make one of them. Let us check out the ingredients. I have 1 cup of maida, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, pinch of salt, water as needed and 2 tablespoons of oil as required. Let us see the filling ingredients. So for kova filling, I'll be taking 1 cup of milk powder, quarter cup of whipping cream, half cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/3 sugar powder, pinch of elaichi powder. Let us start making the dough. Here I have 1 cup of maida. You can always replace this with whole wheat flour. I'm adding little bit of oil, pinch of salt, little bit of turmeric. Mix this all well and start adding water little by little and make a dough. The dough shouldn't be too tight or too loose. So this is the right consistency of the dough. Now you can start adding oil and keep kneading for a couple of minutes. So after a few minutes, this is how the dough is going to look like. And at this point you can add some more oil on top and allow it to rest for around 2 to 3 hours. So in the meantime, let us start making the filling. So for the filling, I've taken a kadai. You can also use ready-made kova, but I like making it at home. So I've added butter. I'm going to add whipping cream. I'm adding milk. I'm not adding all of the milk. I just took half part of it. And here I'm adding milk powder and cook this on medium flame until it all comes together. So once it is nicely cooked, you can add sugar and add the remaining milk and mix this all well and cook it on medium flame until all the sugar melts. So here you can see after a couple of minutes it's going to look like this, and add little bit butter, elaichi powder and start cooking it. Cook it until you see until it leaves the edges. So this is the right consistency. You can see it's not sticking to the kadai. At this point, turn off the stove and allow it to cool completely. Remove the stuffing to a plate and allow it to cool. Let's start making the holige. You can make equal portions of the filling and keep it aside, and same with the outer layer. Make equal portions. Here you can see after a couple of hours the dough can really stretch nicely. So apply little oil to your fingers and spread the outer layer. Keep the filling and start pulling the edges and seal it. Seal it well so that it don't come out when you start rolling. And this is how you have to stuff. And you can take a butter paper or a banana leaf or use a little bit of dry flour and roll it. So I'm using a butter paper, parchment paper, and spread it with your fingers. Use oil. You can also use a plastic sheet and spread it like how I'm doing. I find this easy. So spread with your fingers as thin as possible. If you're not comfortable doing this, you can also use a rolling pin. Spread it nicely. Now you can keep spreading as thin as you can. So my holige is ready. I'm just removing the plastic sheet. My pan is hot. So just place it on the hot pan, and after few seconds you can remove the butter paper. And don't flip the holige immediately. After a couple of minutes you can flip it carefully. This is how it looks. I'm not adding any extra oil because I've used oil for rolling. So here you can see my holige is ready and it looks so delicious. Please do try this recipe and enjoy with your family and friends. Happy Ugadi to all. Thank you for watching.